Located in the sought-after Camden subdivision of Dansons Grant, this creekfront lot is 1.1 acres and ready for your custom-built home. A rare find in Dansons Grant, this lot has minimal wetlands and will not require extensive pier work to get easy access to the Milldam Creek. Dansons Grant has a park with boat ramp for access to the Pasquotank River and is a great community of property owners. Located in Camden County, one of the most respected and recognized school districts in the region, boasting top-notch education for students. Also, just a short drive to the Elizabeth City Shopping District, where you can find a great selection of local eateries and shopping, as well as standard retail establishments. If you can't find it here, the Hampton Roads metro area is just a short drive north. Major cities such as Norfolk, Chesapeake, and Virginia Beach all offer their own access to leisure, arts, shopping, and recreation. The Outer Banks of North Carolina are just a few miles as the seagulls fly for quick access to some of the East Coast's most scenic and relaxing beaches. This lot and neighborhood are waiting for you to come home. For more information, contact listing agent Chris Whitehurst of Rosenwomble Realty Company at 252-312-2263. Welcome home.